Hello everyone, welcome to QAxon. In this video, let's see about pituitary gland. I will be discussing about various hormones secreted by it, and we will be discussing mainly about growth hormone. Pituitary gland is a small endocrine organ which is located in the sella turcica, which is in the base of the brain. It is divided into anterior pituitary gland, which is also called as adenohypophysis, and posterior pituitary gland, which is also called as neurohypophysis. So let's first see about the hormones secreted by the anterior pituitary gland. We have 6 hormones being secreted by the anterior pituitary gland. Each of them are secreted by different specific cell type. First hormone is the growth hormone. It is secreted by cells called somatotrophs. Based on the staining property, the cells can be broadly divided into acidophilic cells and basophilic cells. So somatotrophs are said to be acidophils. Then we have the hormone prolactin, which is secreted by cells called lactotrophs. The thyroid stimulating hormone is secreted by thyrotrophs. Luteinizing hormone as well as follicle stimulating hormone are both secreted by cells called gonadotrophs. Then we have the adrenocorticotropic hormone, which is secreted by corticotrophs. So anterior pituitary hormone secretes about 6 hormones, which are in turn regulated by releasing hormones and inhibiting hormones being secreted from the hypothalamus. Except growth hormone, all the other hormones actually act on other endocrine organs. So you can see here that the thyroid stimulating hormone acts on thyroid gland, adrenocorticotropic hormone acts on adrenal gland, and follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone act on ovaries and testes. Now we are going to see about growth hormone in detail. The structure of growth hormone is, it is a peptide containing 191 amino acids. And as we have seen earlier, the main regulating factors are growth hormone releasing hormone and growth hormone inhibiting hormone, which is secreted by the hypothalamus. So you can understand that the growth hormone releasing hormone helps in the release of the growth hormone from the anterior pituitary. The growth hormone inhibiting hormone is otherwise called as somatostatin. Whenever a hormone is secreted, it has to be regulated. Factors like hypoglycemia, fasting, starvation, exercise, stress, and trauma play a role in the regulation. So hypothalamus secretes growth hormone releasing peptide, both of them having a stimulatory effect on the secretion of growth hormone from the anterior pituitary gland. The growth hormone inhibiting hormone has an inhibitory effect on the secretion of the hormone. So anterior pituitary gland secretes growth hormone, which acts on the liver and as well as other tissues. When growth hormone acts on the liver, it causes the production of insulin-like growth factor 1, which is also called as somatomedin C. Growth hormone also regulates its own secretion by negative feedback mechanism. It causes increase in the secretion of growth hormone inhibiting hormone. So apart from these regulatory factors, somatomedin C, which is secreted by the liver, also has a negative feedback mechanism on growth hormone. That is, it causes a decrease in the secretion of growth hormone. So you can see in this flow chart, the dotted lines indicate inhibitory effects. Somatomedin also causes inhibition of growth hormone releasing peptide. So when it is inhibited, the secretion of growth hormone is decreased. Now let's see some other factors which play a role in the regulation. We have stimulating factors as well as inhibiting factors. So let's see some of the growth hormone stimulating factors. Factors like decreased blood glucose and decreased blood-free fatty acid cause increase in growth hormone secretion. Increased blood amino acids, starvation of fasting, this in turn causes decreased blood glucose level, and exercise. So exercise is found to have a very positive effect on secretion of growth hormone. Other hormones like testosterone, estrogen have stimulating effects. Trauma and stages 2 and 4 of deep sleep. And of course the growth hormone releasing hormone from the hypothalamus. So apart from this, another hormone called ghrelin also has a stimulatory effect on growth hormone secretion. So ghrelin is secreted by the hypothalamus as well as the stomach.